Truth gonna set you free, but first it's gonna piss you off. Dun 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 dun. Ow!
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I have another poppin' prom transformation, guys. I cannot wait to share this look with you guys. It is just literally so fire. So her dress is a silver sequin dress, and for hair I decided to do a half up, half down style. And so I started out by blow drying her hair so that it's nice and straight, and you guys can see that she has a lot of long, beautiful natural hair. So we're gonna really just use her natural hair today. I'm not going to be adding any type of extensions or clip-ins or anything. So I basically started off by parting her hair from ear to ear, and this is a portion that I'm going to be using for the ponytail. Today, to mold her ponytail into place, I'm using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers in the red bottle. And in one of my last videos, I talked about this product and how much I like it, and it has such a great hold that I can actually use it for molding styles like this. So I'm using this in addition to a spritz just to kind of like put her ponytail into place. So for the back section of her hair, I'm going to go in with my Babyliss 1.5 inch curling iron, and I'm going to go ahead and curl the whole back section of her hair. And because these curls are really big and I really want them to hold and set into place, I'm going to be pinning them down, especially since she's going to be getting her makeup done before I like put the finishing touches on her hair. I just want to make sure that these curls are really defined. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to the whole back section of her head. So this is what the curls should look like once they're all pinned down, and I'm going to go in with my Paul Mitchell Stay Strong hairspray, and I'm going to lightly mist over the curls, and that's just to give it a little bit of a hold, but I also don't want it crunchy, so I'm not going to spray too much of this just so that her hair remains flexible. And then I'm going to go in at the ponytail. I'm going to curl the whole ponytail, and I'm going to be putting finishing touches on the ponytail at the end, so I'm kind of just going to curl it and leave it down. I'm not going to pin it or anything. And then after she gets her makeup done, I will show you guys how I finish off the ponytail. To wrap the band around the ponytail, I'm taking a piece of her natural hair and I'm going to coat it with the Magic Fingers Shine and Jam, and then I'm going to wrap that around the base of the ponytail. And I'm using hairspray as well, so this is spritz that I just showed on the camera, and I'm using that to kind of spray and hold it into place. And I'm going to just wrap it as high as I want it to be wrapped, just to give her ponytail a little bit of a lift and kind of like a natural band around it. So as you're spraying that hairspray, you do want to make sure that you are using your blow dryer to dry and set it. So for makeup today, I teamed up with my girl D again, and she literally kills it every single time, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you guys follow her Instagram. It is in the bottom left corner of this video, and show her some love. She is just so freaking talented. Like, I'm honored to even be working next to her. So for this look, she wanted to really make that eye pop, and so she did a glitter liner that will really bring out the silver in that dress, and then she did a pop-in lip. And y'all know D is all about a beat face, so the face is beat, and I just, oh my god, like, y'all, I was literally so juiced to post this video. I know that these videos aren't like the most popular, but they're just so fun for me, and that's all what my channel is about, just me growing and having fun, and then at the same time being able to teach you guys stuff. So I just literally, I'm like so juiced for you guys to see this finished look. She literally killed it. So typically I would have her come on and explain what she was doing like we did in our last collab, but she's actually on vacation, like doing the damn thing. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this magic happen, and then we'll come back at the end to put some finishing touches on the hair. Y'all, literally, when she put this lip on, like, I almost lost it. Like, I almost lost my shit. I was like, this is a transformation, baby. It looks so poppin'. So to finish off the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and unpin the curls. And at this point, I had actually realized that I wish I used a smaller curling wand, because I did want these curls to be a little more defined, but they still turned out super bomb the way that they were. So basically, I'm just gonna unpin all of the curls and kind of run my fingers through and get them a little bit more defined. And then I'm actually gonna be teasing, and this is how I'm gonna get the maximum amount of volume with the hair. So I did it for the ponytail, and I'm also gonna do it in the back a little bit, just to make her hair a lot less flat and more just like voluptuous. So I'm going and I'm teasing right at the base of the ponytail, and then I'm gonna kind of like just comb out around that just so that it doesn't look ratty. and it still looks really nice and smooth. But you guys can see just from the back how high it allows that ponytail to sit. Now I'm gonna do the same thing in the back. I'm gonna be teasing towards her roots just to give her hair a little bit more volume, because I like big hair and nobody wants like boring flat hair, so it just gives it a little bit of like character. Also, I am making sure that I use my hairspray to kind of just like hold the hair in place however I want it to look. And that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and like curl her wispies, and that is pretty much the finished look, guys. So here we are at the finish line. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys love this transformation just as much as I do. This has literally been my favorite one so far. Like, I was literally screaming like, you look like the one. And yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I don't know what else to say, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow D on IG, and I will catch you guys in my next video.